This is I Don't Want to Live on a Reservation with Mama and Julie. Okay, ready, set, go. I don't want to live on a reservation. We can't own a land, we are all one nation. You can sell the earth on which people walk. That's what Crazy Horse says. But all you do is break your promises and keep us from getting ahead. I don't want to live on a reservation. You can't own our land, we are all one nation. So we fight settlers and soldiers in hopes of keeping our land in the black hills of South Dakota. That's where we make our stand. I don't want to live on a reservation. You can't own a land, we are all one nation. That's where George Custer, he found some gold in those black hills, sitting full and Crazy Horse. We weren't gonna sit still. We fought with Custer at the Battle of Little Bighorn. Custer's last stand was with our band, and our nation was reborn. I don't want to live on a reservation. Jules, stop it. You can't own our land, we are all one nation. One tribe, the Nez Perce, wanted to keep their land on the Wallawa River. Chief Joseph, he took a stand. I don't want to live on a reservation. You can't own our land, we are all one nation. They decided to go to Canada, where they could all be free. But they were taken to Kansas. Free they would never be. I don't want to live on a reservation. You can't own our land, we are all one nation. People now think it was mean. What happened to the Native Americans? Helen Hunt Jackson wrote a book so it would never happen again. I don't want to live on